it's a very comfortable socks. They are perfect for shoes, and it's very simple to prepare. We need circle needles, number 3, two stitch holders, two markers, and yarn for socks with number 1. Super fine. Cast on 52 stitches. Here is from this point to this. Work rivet to knit to purl. You can continue knitting how much you want. My example is 15 centimeters, 6 inch. Mark 14 stitches from each side. In right side, add 1 stitch before first marker and 1 stitch after second marker, and wrong side work per pattern. Add 1 stitch before marker and continue. Now add 1 stitch after second marker, continue per pattern. It's the wrong side. Right side, continue all stitches per pattern. And once more add 1 stitches before first marker and 1 stitches after second marker. Continue until 22 stitches before first marker and 22 stitches after second marker. It looks like this. Transfer these loops to stitch holders. It looks like this, and continue work middle pass. I needed 12 centimeters in my case, 4.5 inches. Now work per pattern and 2 last stitches knit together. 2 together and back, work 2 last stitches together. Continue until 16 stitches. It's 16 loops. Pick up loops from the side and transfer loops from the stitch holder. It looks like this. Now back. It's the right side, as all loops work neat. In the right side, all loops work neat. Let's do the thumb on the other side. Now work 5 rows in right side neat, in wrong side purl. Here 5 rows. Mark 14 middle stitches. After marker, work 2 stitches together. And back. After marker, work once more 2 stitches together. In wrong side, work purl. In right side, work neat. And after marker, work 2 stitches together. Now right side work neat, and after marker 2 stitches together. It looks like this. And now 16 stitches on the cable. Now continue repeat to knit to purl. To knit to purl. The last stitches knit together and pick up one from the side and back. Continue per pattern. Two last stitches work together and pick up one stitch from the side and back. Continue repeat 1, 2, knit to purl, 2 stitches together and pick up from side. This is the last row. Bind off all stitches. I finished my knitting socks. They are very simple. They were simple to prepare.